Students online, all of you, very good morning. Very good morning. Welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are keeping fine. I hope you guys have your laptops with you all. If you all do not have your laptops, not a problem for now. Keep your parents informed. Okay. And please observe what's happening on my screen. Okay. Now, all of you all, what I'm going to show you all is I'm going to start from the very basics of using a computer. So a lot of what I'm going to show you today, many of you all would already know. Okay. But doesn't matter. Even if you do not know, practice what I show you. Okay. I'm going to start off with what is the desktop, what are icons, how to create a folder, how to copy, how to paste. Okay. Things like this, I'm going to show you. And many of you all might be already familiar with it. Okay. So just because you're familiar with it, do not just ignore it. Practice whatever I show you on the screen. Okay. Right. So everybody, let's get started then. So everybody, you all see the screen on the TV right now? Students online, you all can see my screen, right? I have shared it with you all. Right now, where I am is called the desktop. Everybody okay with this? Right now, I am in a place on my computer which is known as the desktop. Okay. So what do you see on your desktop? On your desktop, what you see is a wallpaper. Everybody okay with this? What you see on your desktop is what we call a wallpaper. It's nothing but an image. Everyone, are you all on your desktops? Everybody on the desktop right now? Who is behind? Why don't you come and sit with him who has a laptop? Otherwise, it will be boring for you. Okay. Why don't you sit with her? A friend is coming. Okay. Try to sit with somebody who has a device. Otherwise, okay. So everybody, where we are right now is what we call our desktop. And here what you see is nothing but a wallpaper. Do you see over here? You have these tiny pictures over here. Everyone, do you all see these tiny pictures over here? These tiny pictures are what we call icons. Okay. Everybody okay with it? So far, 3 new words. One was desktop. The second was icon. Okay. And the third is your wallpaper. Okay. Right. Now, guys, can you all see these icons over here? These icons represent either a file, an action, or a folder. Can you remember those 3 words for me? When you see an icon on your screen. Now, for example, I see this icon over here. This icon, if I were to open it up, it would take me to another place. Can you guys see over here? It's showing me something else right now. I'll tell you what this is in a little while's time. Okay. So here you have icons. These icons, when you click on them, they will either open up a file, a folder, or they will perform an action for you. Okay. The differences between all 3 of them, I will tell you later. Are we good? Right. Now, everybody on your computer, guys, can you all see the Windows key? There are 4 squares on your keyboard. Any MacBook users here? Anybody using a Mac here? You're using a Mac? Okay. Things are going to be slightly different for you then, okay? Now, since everybody here is using a Windows laptop, I'll be teaching for Windows, okay? But when for you, I'll come separately and tell you what to do, okay? Right. So, Abdurrahman Isham, you're also using a Mac, no? Okay. So, there are 2 people here. For you all, I'll deal with separately, okay? Right. Now, guys, on your laptops, you have so many softwares installed, agree? You have so many programs installed. One of them might be the Microsoft Office package. Another one might be calculator. Another one might be, for example, what else would we have? You might have, for example, Paint. Okay. All the softwares that are installed on your laptop, when you press the Windows key, everybody, on your keyboard, you have a 4 square key. You have a 4 square key on your keyboard. No, it has 4 squares on it. When you press it, something called Start will open up. Can everyone see? When you press Windows, Start opens up. What is the purpose of Start? The purpose of Start is to access the programs or the software that are installed on your laptop. Are we okay with this? When you press Windows, guys, again, look here. When I press Windows, if I want to access my calculator, I just come and type calculator, and I get calculator over here. I want to access Word, I come and type Word over here. Everyone saw this? And I get Word over here. Over here, you can see Microsoft Word is there. Everybody okay with this? So again, what is the purpose of your Start program? What is the purpose of Start? To search for apps, to access any app that is installed in your laptop. Are we good? Right. Now, guys, there is another app that you will be frequently using. This is the app that allows you to access all files on your computer. What did I tell you earlier? What do you use Start for? To access? You use Start to access what? Apps, softwares, programs. Okay? We use Start to access apps, what do you call, apps and programs, we use Starter. I'm going to teach you another program that you will use to access files. Okay, so everybody, we have something called File Explorer on our computers. What is the purpose of File Explorer? The purpose of File Explorer is, this is what we call File Explorer. File Explorer will allow you to access any file on your computer. Okay, I'm repeating myself again. File Explorer will allow you to access any file on your computer. Are we good? Okay, now guys, let me show you all something over here. Now, some of y'all, let me zoom in. Some of y'all will have an icon called this PC. Some of y'all will have an icon called this PC. This PC allows you to open up File Explorer. Some of y'all will not be having it. Am I right? Some of y'all have it, some of y'all don't have it. Okay, you all have an icon here called this PC. What does this PC do? When you double click on it, when you click on it twice, it opens up a program called File Explorer. What do we use File Explorer for? Tell me again. To access all your files. Okay, to access your Word documents, your Excel documents, your movies, your audio files, your web pages, all that you want to access, you have to go through File Explorer. Now, some of you all have this PC, this PC icon. Some of you all have it. Is there anyone here who doesn't have it? Okay, you guys don't have it. So now, guys, how do you access your files? Okay, how do you open File Explorer? Press Start. Okay, and you can type File Explorer over here. That's one way. There is an app at the bottom over here. Okay, that's another way. So everybody, one way is you can go to Start. Everybody, you can go to Start. You can go to Start and you can type Explorer, or you can type File Explorer. Now, do you see the program is over here? When you click on it, can you see? It opens up. Okay, this is another way. Another way is for some of you all, guys, at the bottom, can you all see over here? At the bottom, we have something called the taskbar. Can everyone see your taskbar at the bottom? Okay, in the taskbar, what do you guys see here? Number one, you will see programs that are opened right now. Okay, now over here, it's showing me programs that I frequently access. It is also showing me programs that are opened. Can you see? When I keep the cursor on Chrome, it's showing me Chrome is opened right now. Zoom is open right now. Magnifier is open right now. Is it clear? Your taskbar will show you programs that are open in the background right now. Are we okay with this? Also, guys, on the right hand side, can you see? It will show you your date, your time, your Wi-Fi, your battery. You guys also see that? Okay, right. Then, guys, also here, can you see File Explorer exists over here also? Can you guys see over here? Over here at the bottom, can you all see File Explorer? So File Explorer also exists over here. But I'm going to teach you my favorite method. How I access File Explorer is, everyone look here. Windows E. The window key and the E key, can you press them together? Window and then press E. What happens? Window E. What happens, guys? File Explorer opens up. This is the normal way that I access my files. Okay, so everybody, I'll close this and open it again. What do? Either you can come to this PC, you can come to the bottom and click on this, or you can come to Start and type File Explorer or Windows E. As soon as you do that, File Explorer is going to open up. It's going to take some time because it's loading all the files from your laptop. Are we good, everyone? Okay, we're going to move forward. Let's give this a few seconds. Okay, it's loading all my files on my laptop. Okay, everybody? Right. Now, guys, we are about to create a folder for you to store all your ICT work. Everybody okay with this? We are about to create a folder to store all our ICT work. So, everybody, you can choose your location. I would recommend you create it on your desktop itself. Everybody okay with this? We are going to create a folder on our desktop. On our desktop, we are going to create a folder for storing all our files. Okay, so everybody, how do we create a folder? You're on your desktop right now, no? So you can right click over here. Okay, everyone, can we work on this together? On your desktop, right click over here and say, I want a new, what do I want? I want a new folder. Everyone saw that? Tell your computer, right click on your desktop, guys. Right click over here and say new. New what? I want a new folder. Okay? Are we good with this? So say I want a new folder. As soon as you do that, your computer is going to ask you what is the name of this folder. I want you to just ignore that. Go and click somewhere else. Don't give it a name right now. Can everyone do that? Right click, new folder. That's it. And then go and click somewhere else. Yeah, Sissy, no problem at all. You can create it in a pen drive. You choose where you want to store it. Okay, because this is where you're going to be storing all your ICT files. I'm going to go with desktop. Okay, right. Now everybody, you have created your folder now. Everyone saw the icon for a folder. Now you all know what a folder is. Inside a folder, can you have more folders? You can have more folders. Inside a folder, can you have files? You can have files as well. Okay. Now, everybody okay so far? Now guys, what we are going to do over here is, we are going to rename this folder. Everybody okay with this? We are going to rename this folder. There are 2-3 ways of doing this. Let's try all 3 ways. Method number 1, you can right click on your folder. Everybody okay with it? Now make sure you have right clicked on it, okay? If you right click over here, you will not get the rename options. You have to right click on your folder. Okay? Right click on your folder, and if you come down to show more options, can you see there's something called rename over here? Everyone saw that? This is a long method, okay? This is a really long method. I'm coming to that also. Very nice. Okay? You can right click on your folder, and then you can say show more options, and then guys, you can say rename. Everybody okay with this? Everyone saw that now? This is the long way. The short way is, there are 2 short ways. Short way number 1 is click, give a small gap, click again. Can you guys see? It will go into rename mode. Okay? The short way is what? You click on your folder, wait for 1 second, click again, it will go into where? Let's do it again. Click, click. Come on. Click, click. Okay, can you guys see? It goes into rename mode. This is the second way to rename your file. Are we okay with this? Everybody okay with this? You click on your folder and then again click on the name. It will go into rename mode. Are we okay with this? The third way, and this is the easiest way, which I always use. Everybody, on your keyboard, on the top of your keyboard, can you see F1, F2, F3, F4? Can you see those keys? Everyone see those keys? But do you also see next to that F1, F2, F3, there are some other symbols also, like increase brightness, reduce brightness, mute, increase volume, decrease volume. Do you all see that? Everybody, do you all see that? Right. So guys, when it comes to renaming your folder, your shortcut key is F2. On top you have your function keys now. You're supposed to press F2. But what happens is, your keyboard F2 might have a different purpose. Now on my laptop, F2 is for decreasing volume. So when I press F2, everyone look here. When I press F2, can you see my screen? The volume is decreasing. When I press F2, volume decreases. So I have to press Fn at the bottom of your keyboard. Can you see the Fn key here? At the bottom of your keyboard, can you guys see Fn key here? So I have to press Fn and F2 together. Because F2 alone decreases volume for me. For you all, it might be different. Okay? So everybody, I click on the folder, Fn, F2. Now I go into rename mode. Everybody okay with that? Now this is the confusing part. For some of you all, just F2. For some of you all, Fn, F2. It varies from laptop to laptop. Are we good? So CC says her laptop, she has to only press F2. Okay, certain laptops, you have to just press F2. Certain laptops, Fn plus F2. You have to figure it out on your own, okay? Everybody figure it out, okay? So Achinta, you don't have Fn. Achinta, are you using a desktop? Are you using a desktop PC or a laptop? Normally, desktop keyboards will not have the Fn key here. Okay? Use a laptop that the screen can remove. Oh, okay. Anyway, you can rename it now. Okay, so then no problems. Okay. So everybody, I'm going to rename my folder now. Boys, girls, can we rename our folder ICT at Platinum? Okay, so I'm going to rename it. Click FN F2 ICT at Platinum. Everybody okay with this? ICT at Platinum, and press enter to confirm the name. Press enter to confirm. This is the name of my folder. ICT at Platinum. Everybody okay with this? ICT at Platinum. Okay? Anyone having problems? Okay? Okay, everybody okay with this? Right. Can we double click and open up ICT at Platinum? Everybody double click it. If double click, now some of you are using a laptop, sometimes the laptop trackpad is not that great. Double clicking can become difficult. So then you can do a single click and press enter. Also it will open up. Are we okay with this? Sometimes some of you all, the trackpad will not, will be difficult to use. So what you can do is single click and press enter, the folder opens up. Are we good? Right. Inside this, guys, I want to create a new folder because our very first chapter is word processing. Everybody, girls over there, our very first chapter is word processing. I want to create a new folder to store my word processing files. So can somebody tell me how to do that? Right click, new, right click, new folder. And the name of this folder is going to be called word processing. Are we all okay with this? Word processing. Okay. Our very first folder is word processing. Very nice. I was going to show you guys this also. There is a shortcut key for creating folders. Shall we delete this folder? Everybody, why don't you all delete this folder? I'll show you all the shortcut key for creating a folder. Delete this folder, will you click and press delete. On your keyboards, can you all see DEL? DEL means delete. Can you all delete it? Now, everybody, shortcut key is getting a little advanced for you all now. Control Shift N. One by one, okay? Control Shift N. What happens? New folder gets created, right? Guys, as much as possible, we are going to use shortcut keys, okay? Copying, pasting, switching between programs, creating a folder, deleting a folder, undoing, redoing, going to the desktop. We are going to try and use the shortcut keys as much as possible. Are we okay? So guys, how do we create a folder? Control Shift N. As soon as you do that, a new folder is created. Okay? It's the same on Mac also, right? Command Shift N. So what do we call it? Word processing. Enter. Okay? Control Shift N. Okay? N for new. Control Shift N. Okay? Yeah. Right. Are we all good here? Right. Then everybody, let's get started now. One more thing I want to show you. Everybody, say for example, guys, can all of you all open up calculator for me? Can everyone open up calculator and also open up Paint for me? You all know where to go now? I want you all to open up calculator and I also want you all to open up Paint. So you all will going to start. You will type calculator, open up calculator, and I also want you all to open up Paint. Going to start and type Paint. Everyone saw? So now you have calculator, Paint, and your file explorer opened. Okay, guys. Now two more shortcut keys before we start Microsoft Word. If you want to go back to your desktop, everybody, you want to jump back to your desktop. The long way is one by one you can start minimizing. Can you guys see my cursor? Everyone look at my cursor below. Boys, look here, girls, look here. I can one by one, I can minimize and come back to my desktop. Anyone knows a shortcut key? Windows D. Okay. So, Azim, F12 on your laptop is for calculator. Your keyboard has been built that way. F12 is not the, let me just confirm. No, F12 is not, sorry. For you it is flight mode. For me it is increased brightness. So that's just only for you, only for your laptop. Okay. Everybody, doesn't Mac have Paint or similar app? I don't. Mac has. It is not as simple as Paint. A little more complicated. I forgot the name. I must check my MacBook and see. Anyway, Abdurrahman, this shortcut key will not work for you. Okay. For Mac there isn't one, as I know. Okay. Right, everybody. When you are inside a program, guys, and you want to go to your desktop, Windows D. Windows D. Windows key and D will take you to your desktop. Okay, it's a useful key. When you're working with programs, Windows D will take you to your desktop. Now, guys, sometimes you will be working with multiple programs. You will be copying text from Microsoft Word and pasting it in, for example, Microsoft PowerPoint. Are you okay with that? Then you might be taking a chart from Excel and pasting it in PowerPoint. You need to switch between programs now. Sometimes you'll be working with multiple programs. You need to keep switching. Taking the mouse and moving it here and looking for it is going to consume time. Yeah? Can't you? You can do that. I'm going to show that later, not today, not in today's class. Okay? So guys, when you're working with multiple programs, everybody, Alter, keep your finger on Alter, and then just press Tab and take your finger off Tab. Press Alter, press Tab and take your finger off Tab. Now can you see the programs which are open become visible to you? Press Alter, press Tab and take your finger off Tab. Keep your finger on Alter. You can see the programs that are open, right? So if you want to go to a specific program, Tab. Can you guys see this? You can switch between programs instead of using your mouse. I'll do this again, okay? Alter and Tab. And then take your finger off Tab. Keep your finger on Alter though. Alter, Tab. Now I can see my programs opened. Now when I want to go to a specific program, Tab. I got to Chrome. Take your fingers off, Chrome opens up. I want to go back to calculator. What do? Alter, Tab. Where's calculator? Tab. There you go, calculator is there. Take your fingers off. This might take some time to get used to, okay? But trust me, once you get used to this, it will be so much more faster than taking the mouse and trying to find a program. Everybody okay with this? Get used to shortcut keys. You'll be so much more faster. Okay? Get used to shortcut keys, okay? Okay? Right. Shall we get started with Microsoft Word now? Can I know from here how many of you are... Don't do that. Okay? Outside the class. How many of you have Microsoft Word? Everyone has? Have. How about you? You have it, right? What happened? It should. Okay. Anyone who doesn't have it? You don't have Microsoft Word. Okay. Okay, I'll come to your laptop then. Okay. Guys online? You all have, no? Okay. Guys online, we are going to get started then, okay? Right. Everybody, shall we... I want to show you all one more thing. Guys, I want to show you all through File Explorer how to access your folder. Shortcut key for File Explorer. Windows E, Explorer. Okay, Windows E. Can we all go into Windows E? Windows E, File Explorer opens up. Can you all see on the left hand side, desktop is there? Can you all go into desktop? On the left hand side, desktop is there, right? Desktop opens up. On desktop, can you find your folder, ICT at Platinum? Can you all double click and open it? I'll do this again. Windows E, and you go into File Explorer. Okay? On File Explorer, on the left hand side, can you all see desktop is there? Desktop is there. Then can you all see ICT at Platinum? Double click and open ICT at Platinum. Then you have word processing inside it. So guys, now you all know through File Explorer how to get to your folder. Everybody okay with this? Right. I'm going to close this then. I'm going to close this. Now, how about you? Whatever I told you so far, were you able to do on a MacBook? Sure. Abdul Rahman, everything I told so far, were you able to do on a MacBook? Okay. 2007, Achinta, yes. How many times you have asked me? 2007 is more than enough. Small differences only will be there. Okay. Especially when we start working on mail merge, the interface is a bit different. But don't worry, I'll help you out there. When we create charts, it will be a bit different for you. But you can do everything I do in class, you can also do. It will only be a bit different. Where the options are, will be a bit different for you. Okay. What's wrong? Which version? It doesn't matter. 2007 onwards is fine. Okay, you have 2019. That's not a problem at all for you. Okay, from 2007 onwards, more than all right. Okay, right. Everybody, guys, girls, we're gonna get started then. So everybody, inside our word processing folder, guys, can everyone go into word processing? Now, guys, there are two things. You can access your file. You can access Word from start. You can do that. Okay. Or what you can do, an easier method is, can everyone go into word processing? Go into word processing. Right click and say, I want a new Word document. Can everyone see this? Right click and say, I want a new Word document. When you do this, guys, your Microsoft Word file is already getting saved inside this folder. Everybody okay with this? I'm repeating myself again. When you right click here and say new Word document, the Word document is getting created where? It's getting created inside your word processing folder. Agreed? Okay. So can everyone put down over here? Lesson 1 dash saving. Lesson 1 dash saving. Can we all name this? Okay. Lesson 1 dash saving. Everybody. I think the 1 minute. I'll deal with this later. Okay. Right. Everybody, can you open up lesson 1 saving, boys? Let's open up lesson 1 saving. Right. Everybody, when you double click, Microsoft Word is going to open up. Okay. Everybody, can you open it up now? It might take some time. Okay. Let it open up. Okay. Everyone over here, please. So Microsoft loads and it opens up. Now, guys, over here, I want you all to understand the features over here. Now, guys, at the top, everybody, can you see at the top we have over here? We have something called a ribbon over here. Why don't you look at my screen for now? Just look at my screen for now. I need to explain the parts. At the top, guys, we have something called a ribbon. Inside this ribbon, can you see there are multiple menus inside it? We don't say menus, we say tabs. You have a home tab, you have an insert tab, you have a draw tab, a design tab. You all see those tabs? These are tabs inside a ribbon. Okay? Right. Now, guys, for some of y'all, when you all click on the page, this is your page over here. Now, let me zoom out. This is your page over here now. When you click on your page, sometimes the ribbon is automatically going away. Is that happening for anybody? Is there anybody over here? When you click on your page, your ribbon is automatically going away. Anybody has that problem? Nobody is having that problem. Okay. Let me just show you all something. Sometimes, guys, your ribbon might automatically disappear. If that's happening, guys, look here. Right click on your ribbon. Right click on your ribbon and say, for collapse the ribbon, it will be a tick now. Untick it. Click on it again, so it will get unticked. This is only if it's disappearing. If it's not disappearing, you don't need to do anything. Only if it is disappearing, go and untick it. If it's not disappearing, ignore it. Are we okay? For some of you all, by default, collapse ribbon will be ticked. So that's why it keeps going away. So then you come in, what do you come and do? Right click over here and say, do not untick it. Do not collapse. Are we good? Right. Everybody, did you all see the ribbon over here? You all saw the ribbon. Then guys, can you all see at the bottom right? You have zoom in, zoom out. Can you all see zoom in, zoom out? Everybody at the bottom, did you all see zoom in, zoom out? Okay. So you can zoom in and zoom out based on your preference. Okay. Are we good? No. That's not a problem at all. Okay. Some of the tabs that you all have will be a bit different from what I have. That's perfectly all right. Okay. Right. I want you all to only know two things for now. The ribbon and zoom in, zoom out. Did you all see those two? Right. One more thing, boys. Can you look over here? In zoom out, sometimes you might mistakenly change your view. Because, everyone look here. At the bottom, can you all see? There are 4 different views that you can see your page in. The first one is focus. The second one is reading mode. You should always be in the third one, which is print layout. Sometimes mistakenly you might click web layout. Click web layout and see what happens. What happened? There is no page now, right? There is absolutely no page. You guys saw that? Click on focus mode and see what happens. The ribbon also goes away. You guys saw that? Not necessary to panic. No need to panic, guys. What do we do here? You just come back to print layout. Are we okay with this? You need to come down to the middle option. I want to go into print layout. Print layout will show your pages separately. Are we good? Everybody okay with this? Normally this problem happens in the exam. You click on a view and you have no idea you clicked on it and now you do not know what to do. And during an exam, I can't tell you know what you did. So everybody okay with this? If the view changes, remember it's at the bottom. At the bottom, you can go back to print layout. Are we good? Right. Now everybody, can you all type over here, guys? What I'm going to do is, we are going to type learning how to save on Microsoft Word. Can everyone type this out for me? Very simple sentence. Learning how to save on Microsoft Word. Now some of you all, 1 second. Those of you who cannot type, it means your office license has expired. It means you have to purchase it. Okay? Are we okay with this? If you can open it but can't type on it, it most probably means license is expired. Okay? Not for everybody. Now for me, yes, auto save on, but not everybody has done that. Okay? How do you? At the top, don't you have an option here? You can get auto save when you connect. There's something called OneDrive. OneDrive has to be connected to, so it's a bit complicated. I'm not going to show that to you all. Okay. All right, everybody. Did we get this site? Ashwini, you might need to sign in, yeah. Because you need to verify that you have a genuine version, so they'll ask you to sign in. Okay. Right. Everybody, we are going to get moving now. Guys, girls, everyone look here. Problem, I'll come to your laptop in a minute. Everybody, can you all see over here? Guys, at the top, can you all see this floppy disk icon? This floppy disk icon means save. Save means save the changes that you just made. Shortcut key is Control S. If you press Control S, you can simply save your changes. Are we good? You can either come and click on this floppy disk icon or you can press Control S. Are we okay with that? Can everybody save your changes? Control S or come and click on the floppy disk icon to save your changes. Okay? What happened? That's what it's not active. The license is expired. Can you see at the top what does it say? Product activation failed, right? Yeah, it says failed, right? License is not valid anymore. When do you buy the laptop? Then it should work. You need to purchase it on me. Okay, I'll share this instructions again with you. Thank you very much. Because earlier I had to give it to the back. We are going to be after the meeting. And then we will. Okay. Right, everybody. Guys, I want to show you something else now. Everybody, I want to show you something else. Hey, can you type this sentence over here? Everybody, can you type this sentence over here? Learning how to work with save as. And can you type this sentence over here? The save option will save changes that were made to a file. Okay, just type this sentence over here. The save option will save changes that were made to a file. Then go on to say the save as option. We have another one called save as. The save as option will save the changes into a different file. Okay, did you all understand the differences here? The save option will save whatever changes you made will get saved. Save as will create a separate file for the changes that you just made. Let's see how that works. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay. Okay. Okay, everybody. So now over here, okay, now everybody, I'm going to show you all the save as option. Okay, can everyone look here? Now this is save. No, save is what? Simply to save your changes. I want to make a copy of this file and save the changes. Did you look here? Everyone look here below. I want to make a copy of this file and save the changes. The changes should go into a separate file. So what do I do here? Everyone look here. File. Can everyone click on file? Click on file. File. And can you all see over here? It says save a copy for me. For some of you, it will say save as. It might differ, okay? The wording might differ. Now, for example, Achinta, you are using 2007 now. For you, there won't be file. There will be like a Windows icon there. Do you see it? With 4 boxes like. For you, it will be slightly different. So here, what do? We click on, okay, so small differences in interface. So here we click on file. And here, what do? On my, now I'm using the latest version I'm using. So it will say save a copy here. For you guys, it might say save as. Both mean the same thing. Can you click on save a copy or click on save as? So when you do that, your computer is now asking you, where do you want to save it? So what do? I click on browse. Now in my laptop, it says browse. For some of your browse doesn't appear. File Explorer will directly appear. Isn't it? For some of you directly, the moment you say save as, File Explorer opens up. For some of you, this opens up. Can you click on browse? So when you click on browse, now File Explorer will open up. It's asking, okay, where do you want to save it? So now can you guys go to desktop, then say ICT at Platinum, then say word processing, and then can you all change the name? Can you all see file name over here? Everybody, can you all see file name over here? Change this to lesson 2 save as. Lesson 2 save as. Can we do that? Lesson 2 save as. Okay. Repeat what? The save as part. So I'm going to cancel this and redo this. So what do we do here? We come into file. I want to make a copy of this file and save it under a different name. So I'm going to use save as. So file, save a copy, and then I'm going to go into browse, and I'm going to say what over here? I'm going to say over here, save as, lesson 2 dash save as. Everyone did that? Lesson 2 dash save as. Now can you click on save, everybody? Everybody, can you click on save? Click on save now. So when you click on save now, this file is going to get saved. Okay, give it a few seconds. My laptop is a bit slow. Adila, perfect. F12 is your short key for save as. Perfect. Rashma, Control S is to save, not save as. Control S is to save. It will just save the changes. It will not create a separate file with a different name. Okay. Control S should work now. Okay. Now guys, Alter tab. When you come to your file explorer, do you all see both the files? Do you all see both the files? Everyone saw it? Okay, we have two files over here. Right? All good? Shall we close both our Word documents now? Alter tab. I'm going to go to the first one, lesson 2. Close. Then go to lesson 1. Lesson 1 is already closed for me. Okay. Can you also close Paint and Calculator? Paint and Calculator also. Can we close it, please? Everybody, Paint and Calculator also we need to close it. Everyone close it, please. Okay. All good? Okay. Okay, you can send it, Rashma. You can. So Rashma, if Control S is not working, you're going to click on the floppy disk, okay? The icon, save icon, you're going to click on it, okay? Wow, welcome. Yesterday also same problem, right? From the Gambo. Okay, come. You missed a lot, that's the problem. The whole introduction is done. Right, everybody, we are going to move forward now. Let me load my lesson up, guys. Give me a second. Right, everybody can stop now. Guys, girls. Okay, sure, Reshma. Everybody, can we come into our word processing folder? Right click. I want new Word document. Right click, new Word document. Everybody, new Word document. And over here, can you see lesson 3 dash formatting. Lesson 3 dash formatting. Can we do this? We are now going to start doing some real work. Okay. Lesson 3 dash formatting. Can we get that, everybody? Lesson 3 dash formatting. Okay. What's wrong? Lesson number 3, formatting. Okay. Right, everybody. We are going to move away from here now. We are going to move away from here. Enter to confirm. Press enter over here to confirm. Okay. Then guys, can you open up this Word document? Lesson 3, if you double click, you can open it up. Can everyone open it up? Okay. Okay. Right. Now all of you all, let's talk about this word formatting. Can everyone type it on Microsoft Word? Let's type the word formatting. Okay. Now everybody, what does formatting mean? Formatting means you're adjusting the appearance of your text. Are we okay with this? What did I just tell you all? Formatting refers to adjusting the appearance of the text in your Word document. There are so many ways that you can adjust the appearance of the text in your Word document. Everybody okay with it? So next time when I say format your text, what does it mean? Adjust the appearance. So Microsoft Word gives you so many options when it comes to adjusting appearance. Are we good? So let's see what are these options. Okay, everybody? Right. Shall we zoom in so we can see our content properly? Everybody at the bottom right, can you all see zoom in, zoom out? Why don't you all zoom in so you can see your content into a decent size? Okay, it's so small, you guys are straining your eyes. Okay, right. So everybody over here, Guys, girls, everyone over here. Now, everyone, can you see where my cursor is blinking? Everyone saw where my cursor is blinking. Okay. So everyone, if you want to go to the next slide, you just have to press enter. Wherever your cursor is blinking, I think you all can see this. Can you see this cursor is blinking here? That's where my text is going to appear. I want it to appear in the next line. So what do? I just press enter. When you press enter, can you see the cursor has gone to the next line? Everybody okay with this? So let's start typing something now. So I'm going to say over here, this sentence is using a font called Times New Roman. Times New Roman. It is size 45. It is size 45. Uses a red, or you can say uses a red colored font and is highlighted in light green. Everybody okay with this? Can you all type this out? Are we good? Okay. Right. Everybody, nobody should be. Why is your phone on your table, man? Your phone should be in your bag. Here, nobody should be typing with one hand. Okay, all of you all have two hands, no? Thank God. So please, you all should be using both hands for typing purposes. Are we good? Okay. Right. Now everybody, now look here. When you're going to format your text, guys, you need to first select your text. This is, some of you all are used to it. Some of you all maybe for the first time you are doing it, no problem. I'm using an external mouse. It becomes very easy for me to select. Those who are using a trackpad, it's a bit difficult. Okay. So you need to first select your text. So everybody, what do? You click at the beginning and then drag it all the way to the end. You guys saw that? You click at the beginning and drag it all the way to the end. Now, those who are using a mouse, no difficulty at all for you all. Those who are using a trackpad, it can be difficult. So if it becomes so difficult, you can't select it, I'll teach you a longer way. You click over here. Everyone saw? Click over here. Press shift and press your arrow keys. So shift and then go right. Everyone saw this? This is a slightly longer way. Everyone saw this? So what do? If your trackpad is not supporting you, not allowing you to select properly, you click, press shift, and then with the right arrow key, keep selecting. Go all the way over here. No big deal there, no? Okay? So either use your mouse or use your keyboard. You choose. Are we good? Right. Then everybody, can you all see now? We are going to be working on the home tab. Everybody okay with selecting it? You're still typing. Done? Everybody, after selecting it in the home tab, can you all see? I'm in the home tab. I'm going to spend some time on this font group. Are we okay with this? I'm going to spend some time on this font group. So what do we do, guys? Over here, you can choose your font name. Okay, you can choose your font name over here. Every font has a different appearance. Okay, let's see how it works. Can't we keep out pointer at the left corner of the sentence? Adil, I did not understand you. Can't we keep our pointer at the left? You can keep it at the left corner. Okay, right. I'm going to move here. Everybody, when you click over here, can you see a drop-down menu? So many fonts for you to choose from. Each one having a different appearance. Some of the fonts I have, you will not have. But Times New Roman, we will all have. there are certain fonts, guys, that all systems will have. Georgia, Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman. These are fonts all our computers will have. So I will always be using fonts which all our computers will be having. Okay, so let's have a look at them. Okay. Adila, yes, that can also be done. That can also be done. True. So Adila, what happens is when you do that, the entire sentence at once gets selected, right? Okay, that's also fine. That's also perfectly all right. Okay. Right, everybody, can you click on fonts? After selecting your text, can you click on fonts and go all the way down to T and find Times New Roman? PQRST Times New Roman. So over here we have JKLMN. Where is T? MNOPQRST. Where is Times New Roman? Times New Roman is over here. Everyone saw that? I'm going to click on Times New Roman. So now my font becomes Times New Roman. Okay? Everyone saw that? Are we good? In your one, Sinhala letters are also there. No problem. Differs from laptop to laptop. Azim, that's enough. So guys, one student is asking me, why didn't you just simply type Times New Roman over here? You can also do that. Instead of manually searching it, you can. I wanted to show you all how many fonts are there. There are so many different fonts. That's why I got you all to scroll one by one. Okay, but you can type it. It will save you time. Everybody okay with this? Right. Then guys, can we change the size to 45? So next to font name, boys, girls, next to font name, can you all see font size? You can see 45 is not there, which means you have to type it now. 45 is not there, only 48 is there, which means you need to type it. So now you come here and say 45, press enter to confirm. Everyone saw that? Problem? Yeah, no. Who has a problem? You can for now, but you can, no problem. Go ahead. Don't use Notepad, use WordPad. WordPad has more features than Notepad. Try and see for WordPad, search for WordPad. Letters are way too big. No WordPad. See, why do you want to remove the Sinhala ones? Keep them, don't remove them. Yeah, I know, it's 45. It has to be big. If it's not big only, you should be worried. Okay. That should be big. So, right. So, everybody over here, we made it size 45. Okay. Right. Then everybody, can we select our font over here? What was the next requirement? Red colored font. Everybody, red colored font. Can you all see over here? Can you all see over here? You have font color over here. This is highlighting. This is font color. Highlighting and font color. So you click over here and say, I want it to be red color. Everyone got that? I want it to be red color. Sounds good? I want the font to be red color. Okay, extremely simple stuff. And one more thing, guys, I want to highlight it in light green. Can you all see highlight over here? Light green. I want to highlight this in light green. Okay, boys behind, everything okay there? I want it to be in light green. So there you go. It is red color and light green. Okay. I wanted to do something else. What was that? Okay. Right, guys. All of y'all. You all have save your work and take 10 minutes, guys. We'll be back at 8:45. Save your work, guys. Save your work and go. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay. Everybody okay? Oh. So, Sissy, you have to scroll a lot more down. You have to scroll. Sissy, you're not the only one using this laptop, right? There are other people also using it, right? Am I right? You all can take a break. 8:45, please come back. No, this laptop, are you the only one using, or are the other family members also using your laptop? Only you. Okay, then if you want, you can delete them. Okay, if it's only you, if your parents or siblings are using it, deleting this will get you into trouble. Okay. This is then what you can do is either you can scroll all the way down. You can scroll right down and the English font will start. Keep scrolling right down, English font will start. Or if you really want to delete it, this at your own risk, you can come to start and you can type font. Okay, now can you see? Where is it? It will take you into fonts. Sorry, type fonts. So now can you see fonts control panel? This is going to show you all the fonts that are installed on your laptop. So when you open this, it will show you all the fonts on your laptop. So from here, where is it? From here, you can start deleting them. You can say uninstall, one by one. But at your own risk, if somebody else is using this laptop, they'll be very angry with you. Okay, so you choose. Okay, right. Okay. Right. So guys, shall we zoom out a little bit so we can see the whole page? Right. Then guys, over here, I want y'all to try out another sentence. Now, as you're typing this, guys, it will have the same formatting as the above sentence. Not a problem. We are going to change it. What did I tell y'all? As you're typing this, guys, it will have the same formatting as the above sentence. Okay, don't worry about it. We will change it. So now we can go on to say this sentence is bold. Okay, now this sentence has a font style of bold. Okay, this sentence has a font style of bold. Everyone type it. This sentence has a font style of bold. Okay, now everybody, if you can select this text over here. Here, please. Okay, right, boys, girls, everyone over here. This sentence has a font style of bold. Now, everybody in the home group, in the home tab, in the font group, can you all see bold is over here? Okay, you can either click on bold or you can press Control B. Okay, can you see how my text looks? Everyone saw this? Can you all see how it looks? This sentence has a font style of bold. Either you can select it and press Control B, or you can come and click on bold over here. Okay, once you're done with that, I want you all to do this. I want you all to type this sentence, and then I'm going to wait for a minute. I want you all to type what? This sentence is italic and underlined. This sentence is italic and underlined. So remove the bold effect from here, okay? Remove. Everyone look here. I'll give you all a minute. Select this. In the home tab, remove bold. You can press Control B again and remove bold. Okay, and then Control I to italic it, Control U to underline it. Are we okay with this? These are what we call font styling. Bold, italic, underline. Are we good? Bold, italic, and underline. Okay. Bold, italic, and underlined. It doesn't matter. That's not a problem at all. Those are all problems for later on. Underline, yeah. Control U. Italic, Control I. underline is control U. That's it. Okay. If it's going to 2 pages, 3 pages, not a problem at all for now. Those are all problems for later on. Okay. Right, guys. Everyone look here. Can we save our work? Control S and save your work. Control S and save your work. Okay. Right. Now, guys, what are we dealing with? We are dealing with formatting text, right? We are right now dealing with formatting text. Right. Now, guys, we are going to move down. We are going to move further down now. Okay. So press enter and move down over here. You can say over here, this paragraph over here, this paragraph has an alignment of center. Okay. So everybody, can you all type this over here? This paragraph has an alignment of center. Can you all remove the italics? Can you all remove the underline? This paragraph has an alignment of center. Okay. Can you all also reduce the font size back to 20? The font size, bring it back to 20 here. This paragraph has an alignment of center. Remove italic, remove underline, and bring it back to font size 20 here. Everyone saw that? Now, guys, everybody okay with this? You can, Azim, you can. So before you type, you press Control I and Control U, or Control B and Control I. You can do that. Of course you can. Okay. Then everybody, can everyone look at my screen now? After typing this sentence, guys, can you all see? My cursor is starting from the left now. Everyone look here below. My cursor is starting from the left and going all the way to the right. So we call this left align. Now I'm going to select this and I'm going to bring it to the middle. We call it center. Everybody okay with this? So at the top, guys, at the top, can you all see in the home tab? Over here we have 4 different alignments. Left, center, right, and justify. Everybody okay with this? You have left, center, right, and justify. For me to explain justify, guys, I need many lines. Okay, I'll show that to you all shortly. Can you guys get center aligned? Can everybody get center aligned? This paragraph has an alignment of center. Can you all see? It's now in the center of your page. Boys, girls, everyone okay with this? Your text is now in the center. Shortcut key, can somebody check and tell me? Shortcut key for center line was what? Control E. Control E. Control E is the what? Shortcut key for center line. Now, guys, a very, very important feature which you will be regularly using. What if you mess up? You want to undo it, right? Sometimes you mistakenly deleted everything. Okay, say for example, you mistakenly deleted it. You can immediately press Control Z to undo whatever you just did. And you can undo multiple steps. Let's say you want to go back 5 steps. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay? Everyone, can you all see this? Control Z. Immediately, I get my text back. Are we okay with this? Can you guys try Control Z? Make a mistake and undo it. Everybody make a mistake and undo it. Control X is to cut. Okay. Control Z is to undo. Okay. Are we good with this? Control Z. Everybody saw Control Z? Let me tell you the opposite of Control Z. If you want to redo what you just undid, Control Y. Okay. If you want to redo what you just undid, Control Y. Control Y really you'll be using. You'll be mostly using Control Z. Are we good? Right. Let's keep moving. Now, guys. Now I'm going to show you all one more thing. One more thing, guys. Over here. Can we go into left align again? Can everyone go into left align? And can you all type this sentence for me? Can you all type this sentence for me? Type it exactly how I'm showing you all, okay? Now everyone look here. Today is Tuesday, the 20th. Now everyone look at my screen. Everyone look at my screen. I have typed 20th now. When I press space bar, you saw what happened to the TH here. the TH moves up. You know what we call that? We call that superscript. I'll undo it and do it again, okay? Today is Tuesday, the 20th. When I press spacebar, automatically Microsoft Word will make the TH superscript. Are we good? Okay. Today is Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025. So what do we call this effect, guys? We call this superscript. Okay. We call this superscript. Microsoft Word automatically does it for you. Okay. Then I want you all to type one more sentence over here. I want you to type one more sentence over here. Exactly. It's this square over here. Very nice. I want you to type one more sentence over here. The chemical formula for water is H2O. What needs to happen to the 2? It needs to go down, right? So I'll show it to you all in a few seconds. Right. Shall we have a look over here? Boys, girls, the chemical formula for water is H2O now. Now, can you all carefully select only 2? Those who are using a trackpad, it's not easy. What I would do is, I would click over here, shift right, and then only 2 get selected. Are we good? Then guys, can everyone look here? After 2 is selected, can you all see in the home tab, in the font group, can you all see subscript, which means send the font down, and you have superscript, which means send the font up. Can you guys choose subscript? Okay, subscript. Now can you guys see? 2 has gone down. Are we okay? Oh, only 2, huh? Only 2. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Everybody okay with this? Right. Now, guys, I'm going to give you the question over here. Can you guys type this for me? Can you guys type this for me? Can you do the second one again? So you select, I'll undo it, Control Z, select 2, okay, select only 2. In the home tab, can you see over here, subscript, superscript, sub, super. I go with sub, take it down, subscript, okay? Right, everybody, I want you to write this. So I want you to say 2 squared. Everyone know what square is, right? So what do we do with the second 2? You have to apply what effect? Superscript effect. You need to apply the superscript effect to 2. So now 2 squared is equal to 4. Are we good? Right. Can you all save changes? With that, we come to an end with formatting. Okay. Then we are going to move on to something a little more advanced. Okay. Okay. Everybody, with that, we come to the end of formatting. Can you all save and close then if you're done with it? Should I come to anyone's laptop? Anyone's laptop I need to be at? Boys behind, is it working? Hassan and Hussein, okay. Right, then I'm closing this up. Guys online, I'm closing this. Can you all see close over here? You can now close this. Right. Then guys, can we move on to lesson number 4? Girls over there, what's going on? Put it away, put it away, put it away. Sorry? You didn't do it. Last one, soon do it and I'll move away from here. Yeah, we need to save lesson 3. Save it and close. Okay, right. We are closing this now. Right, everybody, in your folder, can you guys right click and say lesson 4, line spacing options? Lesson number 4, everybody right click, new, Word document. Are we okay with this? Right click, new, Word document. What's the name of this Word document? Lesson 4. Lesson 4 dash line spacing. Are we okay with this? Lesson 4 dash line spacing. Are we good? I'm listening. Lesson 4 dash line spacing. Shall I create this again? Delete. Right click. New Word document. I want a new Word document. What's the name? Lesson 4 dash line spacing. Okay. Lesson 4 dash line spacing. Are we good? So let's open this up then. Right, guys. Now, guys, I'm going to do something that you all need to do here as well. Everybody, I need 2 paragraphs of text, but we don't have time to type it. So what we're going to do is, yeah, can you guys do this for me? Can everyone type this? Equal rand, open brackets and type 2, close brackets. And then when you press enter, it will give you 2 paragraphs of text. Everyone saw this? Equal rand, open brackets 2, close, after you close the brackets, press enter. Does it work on Mac? It works. You guys got 2 paragraphs? Okay, so when you press enter now, you get 2 paragraphs of text. Are we good? Right. All good? Equal rand, open bracket, 2, close bracket, enter. No, in Notepad it won't work. Only in Microsoft Word it will work. Okay? Right. Guys, girls, everyone, can we work on this? Can you all only... Yes, Yamin? Yeah, it's of course, it should be the same. Okay, this is a built-in feature. So Yamin, I'll do this again. Guys, we all got the same text, right? This is a built-in feature of Microsoft Word to get random text. That's why we say rand. Equal rand, open bracket, shift 9. Shift 9, you get bracket now. Type 2, I want 2 paragraphs. Shift 0 to close the bracket. And then press enter. Okay. You got another one? Maybe because 2007 version. Doesn't matter. Right, everybody, boys, girls, can we only select paragraph 1? Can we only select paragraph 1? It's called insert tab. Okay, no worries. Can everyone select the first paragraph? Everyone, first paragraph only. Can you all select the first paragraph? Right. Now everyone, look very carefully at my screen, okay? Look very carefully at my screen. In the home tab, can you all see the paragraph group? In paragraph group, can you see there is an option where with lines and 2 arrows up and down? That is what we call line spacing. Line spacing defines the gap between your lines. Are we okay? Line spacing defines the gap between your lines. So guys, can you click on it? Click on line spacing and choose 3.0. Can you all see the gap between the lines? The gap between your lines increases. Shall we undo that? Undo it and choose line spacing 2.0. See the difference? Line spacing 2.0. You guys saw that? Okay. This is what we call line spacing. Okay. I'm going to zoom out now. Can you all see the difference between the first paragraph and the second paragraph? Okay. Very clear, right? Okay. This is what we call line spacing. Okay. Right. Then guys, I want to show you all one more thing. I want to show you all one more thing. Can you all select paragraph number 2? Boys, girls, select paragraph number 2 below. Sometimes, guys, sometimes you might want to push a paragraph inside. Everybody with me? Sometimes you might want to push the paragraph a bit inside. We call this indenting. Everybody okay with this? We call this indenting. So guys, can you all see? Everyone, boys, girls, look here below. Select paragraph number 2. And then, can you guys see over here in the paragraph tab, we have decrease indent, increase indent. Increase indent means push it inside. Decrease indent means bring it outside. Okay. Can you all increase indent? And can you all see it getting pushed inside? It's getting pushed inside. Everyone saw that? When you decrease indent, it's coming outside. Everybody saw that? Does it make sense? Okay, this is increasing indent and this is decreasing your indent. Are we good with that? Okay. So now guys, what do you all know now? You all now know how to adjust the line spacing and how to also adjust indenting. Are we good, boys? Okay. Right. I'm saving my work over here and I'm closing. Boys, what's going on over there? What's happening under the table? Sorry? You're playing with the cable under the table? Your phone is not there, right? Is your phone there? Sure? Okay. I'm closing this now, okay? Because we are done with lesson number 4. We have to save it. Of course, we have to save it. Keep saving your work. Lesson number 4, and we close it now. If I put 3, then would I have gotten 3 paragraphs? Yes, Adila, you would have gotten 3 paragraphs. Okay? How much ever you put, that number of paragraphs you would get. Okay? Right, everybody, can we close this? Everybody, lesson 4, we are done with lesson 4. Can we close lesson 4? Boys, girls, lesson 4. Right, everybody, lesson 5 now. Boys, lesson 5. Right click over here and say lesson 5. Word document, lesson 5. And here we say wrap text. Wrap text. Okay, wrap text. Before we start this, guys, I need you all to do something very different for me now. So listen very carefully, okay? Everybody, do you all create lesson 5 wrap text? Now listen very, very carefully to me. How do we go to the desktop shortcut keyword? Windows D. Everybody, can we go to desktop? Either you can use the mouse, which is very slow, or you can press Windows D to jump to your desktop. Everybody in your desktop? Okay. Is everybody in desktop? Why do you close it? Yeah. You can't. Your Microsoft Word is not working, no? Okay, my bad. Are we in the desktop, everyone? Right. Everybody, I need an image. So I want you all to take a screenshot of your desktop because I want to work with an image in Microsoft Word. Are we okay with this? So everybody, what I want you all to do is this. Can everyone go into start and can you all find snipping tool? Snipping. Okay, now Apple Mac users, you have to Mac users slightly different for you all. I'll tell you all in a minute, okay? Windows users, can you all go into start and type snipping? Snipping tool. Mac users don't have snipping tool. Abdul Rahman, you also know snipping tool. I'll tell you in a minute, okay? Everyone, can you all take snipping tool? Boys, take snipping tool. When you take snipping tool, guys, can you all click on new? Yeah? You don't have snipping tool. You should have. Okay, no props. Okay. Everyone, can you all click on new? Click on new and can you all take a small screenshot? Maybe from here to here. Everyone saw this? Take a small screenshot. That's all I want you all to do. I'll redo it. I'll redo this. Go into start. Snipping. Okay. Take snipping tool from here and say new. I want to take a new screenshot. Okay. Click on new and choose from here to here. Just take a small screenshot. Okay. Now everybody, we need to save this image in our folder. Can you guys do that? Everybody, can you click on the save icon? Click on the save icon. The save icon is over here, or Control S, you choose. Okay. So, yeah. You have a problem. I'll come to you. Can you guys save it? Click on save. And can you all save it in your word processing folder, everybody? From File Explorer. Can you all find where your word processing folder is? So it's on the desktop for me. Desktop, my ICT at Platinum, word processing. I'm going to save this as, you can just say image 1. It doesn't matter. Just say image 1. Okay.